Hello, everybody. Sorry, my name is Tasfaye. This is a 12th video on a series of how to read and write Afan Oromo. And our last video, we have been looking at how to write different words which have different sound structures like short, long, strong, and soft videos. We've also seen some of the silent and semi-silent Oromo words and how we write those. We've said if we have a slight stay on the sound, we call that is a silent. I know it's not as silent as some of the English words like talk, walk, and so on, when we have a complete silence for L sound. In Oromo, we say a little bit, but we don't say them properly. So for those, we don't need vowels in front of them. So in the last video, I have given you some exercise, and this is the answers for those exercises. So I'm gonna go through. Tarsimo. Here the ra sound is semi-silent, so we don't need I or E over there. Tarsimo. Adamsa. Ma is the ma sound is silent or semi-silent, so we don't need I over there. Adamsa. If we put I there, it's gonna be Adamsa, but Adamisa is not the right word, so Adamsa is the right word. Kapsisa, the third one. Kapsisa. Ba is a silent word sound there, so we don't need I or E in Afan Oromo in there. So if we put it, it's gonna be Kabsisa, but that's not right. Kabsisa is not the right word. Kapsisa is the right word. Sirba, Ra is silent. Jilba, La is a silent word over there. So most of the silent words think, we may think they need I or E sound when writing them, but most people make that mistake, giving or putting I sounds or one I usually, and make the word incorrect in spelling and also in meaning. So that's it. This is a previous read from exercise from solutions for the exercise from previous video. Today we're gonna go ahead with the list of the topics to cover, but today I added more list to that. It is the number 6 words with compound letters, compound sounds. We've seen that there are compound letters in Oromo which made of 2 and then give a different sound. These are in English as well, like CH, like church, change, and so on. Is the same as in English. They are also compound, but in Oromo we have some of them. So like DH, we call it A. CH is a cha, mostly the same as English. NY is nya. TS is sa. There are others as well, and there are words that we use this compound sounds to write, and there is specific thing here what we are going to tell you. So most of the words that we use this sound is tend to be strong when we say them, but even though they are strong as they being in the silent words, for example, we don't double this these sounds. Like the first one, gachana. The cha sound is strong. Obviously, we can't hear it. Gachana, gachana. But by rule, we don't double ch again. I mean, we don't do like this. We don't do like this. There is a rule that when it is written by a Qubee, we call this Qubee or compound letters, compound sounds, we don't repeat those. So that is the rule we have to know. As we've seen in the silent is, even though the last word after the silent is strong, like Adam sa is strong here, we never double that sa. That's the rule as well. That's the rule. It's the same way while writing using this compound sounds. We don't double them. We don't write them 2 times to show they are strong. Like had'a, as you can see, the a sound is strong. Had'a, gammachu, you can see chu is also strong. Gammachu, dacha, had'a. I repeated had'a, sorry. So they are strong. They are strong, but we don't repeat them. But as we said, not all of them are strong though. Like hada, it's not strong. Dadhaa, it's not. Any of them are not strong. Hidhu, not strong. Misha, sha is not strong. Nyata, nya is not strong. So there are also words written, sounds written with this, words written with this sounds, but also are soft. But whenever they are strong, we never repeat those letters as we do in others. Like gammachu, here ma is strong, that's why we repeated it. Chu is also, cha is also strong, but we never repeat that. The same here, gucci, cha is strong, we never repeat it. Gocha, some may disagree with me here. Maybe most people write like that, but if we take that gocha, it's the stem word is gote, so it should be written like that. We'll come to that rule in advanced Oromo, but for now you can just write this like this one or write like this one, gocha. But whenever you say it, you read it, it is not gocha, but it's gocha. Gocha is doing something or performing something. And the dache, as you can see, the che sound is very strong, but we never, as I said, not like that at all. So this is the video for today, and it is short. I hope that benefits you. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day. Bye.